Question number 2. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bat and 6 ball for rupees 3900. Later she buys another bat and 3 more ball of the same kind for rupees 1300. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So first of all, we need to assume our variable, right? Now what is our variable here? So total two things we have, that is a bat and ball, right? Bat and ball. So first of all, we assume the cost of one bat is equal to x and cost of one ball is equal to y. So this is our two variable. Okay. Now for finding out first equation, just read this line. The coach of cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3900. Now x is the cost of one bat. So cost of 3 bat, it is 3x, right? So 3x plus add the cost of ball. Now cost of one ball is equal to y. So cost of 6 ball is equal to 6y. 6 multiply cost of one ball. Now total rupees is given 3900. So this is our first equation. Okay, 3x plus 6y is equal to 3900. But from this equation we can take 3 as a common. Okay, so 3 common. So here 3 cancel, so only x. Now here in place of 6 we can write 3 to the and 3 is common, so remaining 2y. Okay. Same thing here 3900. Now transfer this 3 to the right hand side. So 3900 by 3, it's a 1300, right? 1300. So this is our first equation, x plus 3y, sorry, x plus 2y is equal to 1300. Okay, so first equation it is written here, x plus 2y is equal to 1300. Now second thing, she buys another bat. First of all, she buys 3 bat, right? So add one bat, one another bat. Okay. Later she buys one another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1300. So for another bat means one more bat. So that one bat price is equal to x plus 3 more balls. So 3 balls. So cost of 3 balls, cost of one ball it is y and cost of 3 balls it is 3y is equal to 1300. Okay, so again one bat it is x, cost of one bat x and plus 3 balls. So cost of 3 balls 3y is equal to 1300. This is our second equation. Okay. So then this is a algebraic method, right? Algebraically these two equations we get. Now we need to represent this equation graphically. So for graphical method we need to find coordinate of point, right? Coordinate of a point which is lies on the line. So here in most of the question we use this method. In most of the question we use this method. That means we find the intersection point of a line with x-axis and y-axis. Okay, x-axis and y-axis. For finding out that point, that means intersection point with the axis. So one time we take x is equals to 0. On that time we try to find y, and one time we take y is equals to 0 and we find x. Okay, so same thing here we can use x plus 2y. This is equals to 1300. This is our first equation. Now put x is equals to 0. So 0 plus 2y is equals to 1300. Now find out y from here. Now transfer this 2 to the right hand side. It goes to the division because 2 is in multiplication process with the y. Okay, so 1300 divided by 2, it's a 650. Okay, so this is our first coordinate. X is equals to 0, y is equals to 650. This is our first point. Okay, now for second point, put y is equals to 0. So x plus 2 in place of y 0, 1300. So x, here 2 into 0, it's a 0. So x is equals to 1300, right? So this is the point of, so this is the coordinate of second point. Okay, so our 2 point are ready. We can also draw a line by using a 2 point. Okay, now second equation. We can also find 3 points, and we can take any point, but here we go with the intersection point. So second line, it is x plus 3y is equals to 1300, right? Now put x is equals to 0. If x is equals to 0, then 0 plus 3y is equals to 1300. So here 3y is equals to 1300. Now transfer this 3 to the right hand side. So 1300 divided by 3. Okay, this is our y. It is 400 something, right? 400 point something. 400, I think 433.33. Then put y is equals to 0. So x plus 3 in place of y 0, 1300. So again x 3 into 0 0. So here even we get x is equal to 1300 when y is equal to 0. So this is the coordinate of second point, y 0, x is equal to 1300. Okay. First, in first case we put x is equal to 0, we find y is equal to 1300 by 3. In second case we put y is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 1300. Now we can draw the graph of this two line. Okay. So here it is directly drawn. So first, for a first line, first point is 0 and 650. It is lies on the y-axis 0, 650, right? Second point 1300 and 0. So y coordinate is 0. That means this point lies on the x-axis here, right? So draw one line which is pass from this 2 point. Okay, so this is our line, required line. Now draw second line. So for that we want a coordinate of point which is lies on the second line. So here first point 0 and 1300 by 3. Now x coordinate is 0. So this point is lies on the y-axis here. Second point, it is same as we have in first line. Okay, 1300 and y coordinate 0. So it is lies on the x-axis here, right? Now draw the second line. It is look like this. Okay, so this is the graphical method. Now here, if we want to find the solution of this question, obviously the solution is 1300 and 0. Okay, because the solution means intersection point of both this line. We observed from the graph intersection point of this line, it is 1300 and 0. Okay, so this is the our final answer, but here it is not given in the question. That means we do not need to find the solution, but this is the solution. 13 x is equal to 1300 and y is equal to 0. Now x means our cost of bet, right? So cost of bet is equal to 1300 and cost of ball is equal to 0. That means ball is free with the bet, right?